What happens when we want to edit an existing sculpture rather than start a new one? Let's investigate. When we went into play mode, we were taken out of sculpt mode. Now you're in assembly mode, so to edit your existing sculpture, you'll need to scope back into it. Scoping into a sculpture is exactly like scoping into a group. Hover over it with your primary imp. Hold the secondary triangle button, then press the primary X button. Scoping into a sculpture automatically puts you into sculpt mode. Now we're here, we can edit the shapes we've made. To grab and move shapes, first press the primary circle button to unequip the smear shape tool. Unequipping any tool automatically equips the move tool to your imp. Try grabbing and moving parts of the sculpture with your primary imp. To clone a part of the sculpture, hold the secondary triangle button. Then grab whatever you want to clone with your primary T button. You can also resize the shapes you grab. Just hold the circle button on the secondary controller, then tilt or twist that controller to resize the shape. If you want to add to your sculpture, just open the Sculpt Tools menu using the secondary T button. Select a shape with your primary imp. This will equip the last sculpt tool you were using. Try sculpting with different shapes. Remember, you can undo and redo at any time. If you accidentally scope out of your sculpture, just hover over it with your primary imp. Then hold the secondary triangle button and press the primary X button to scope back in. In the next step, I'll show you how to color your sculpture.